Ang Pilipinas ang pinakamalaking exporter ng mga nurse sa buong mundo. Think about it. Let that sink in. Isn't it funny? We're not the biggest exporter of rice. We're not the biggest exporter of electronics. We're the biggest exporter of nurses. People responsible for keeping our population alive. As of 2023, between 200,000 and 250,000 Filipino nurses had already left the nursing profession in the Philippines due to burnout, low pay, and job precarity. 51% of all licensed Filipino workers, which is about 316,000 people, ay umalis ng Pilipinas para magtrabaho sa ibang bansa. Sa kasalukuyan, ang bansa natin ay may shortage ng 127,000 nurses. Nearly 4,500 posts in public hospitals remain unfilled right now. And this shortage is projected to reach 250,000 by 2030. Kulang tayo ng 127,000 nurses ngayon. At lalala pa ito sa susunod na 4 na taon. We can call this Brain Drain 2.0. Brain Drain 2.0 is no longer just about healthcare workers. Hindi na balita na nag-abroad ang mga nurse natin. Pero alam nyo ba na merong new wave of workers that are choosing to work elsewhere? This new wave is quieter, more invisible, and in some ways, more damaging. We're talking about engineers, software developers, data scientists, financial analysts, graphic designers, marketing specialists. And yung kaibahan is, these workers, hindi sila nag-a-apply ng visa, hindi sila bumibili ng ticket para mag-abroad. They're still here sa Philippines. They're opening their laptops, signing contracts with foreign companies online, and collecting dollar salaries, all while living in the Philippines. On paper, they are employed locally. In reality, yung kagalingan nila, yung mga skills nila, yung productivity nila, career growth nila, are oriented entirely toward foreign economies. If ever napagdesisyonan ng mga kumpanya nila na, uy, i-relocate ka namin, then go. They leave. The 2025 report by a global strategist cited in Philippine media warned that the Philippines is at risk of quote-unquote prostituting its future as declining education standards accelerate skilled worker departure precisely when the world is entering the AI economy. Ang bansa natin, pinag-aaral niya ang mga Pilipino na maging mga doktor, mga nurse, mga inhinyero, mga programmers. At ang ending, magtatrabaho sila para sa ibang bansa. We pay for their education. We build the hospitals and the universities, and then we watch them leave because, well, we cannot pay them what they are worth. National University early this year showed one solution: standardized salary parity, paying Manila rates at provincial campuses. And this reduced brain drain within their institution. Ang solusyon ay kilala na. Saan tayo nagkukulang? Sa implementation and acceptance of this new reality across the board. Maraming salamat po sa panonood. Ang Hello Pinas Hello World ay isang independent page, and your support means I can keep doing this work. So if you want to help the page grow, you can buy us a coffee, send stars on Facebook, follow us here on Facebook or on YouTube, like, share, and join the discussion in the comments. Maraming salamat po. Have a good day.